Hello, welcome back for lesson number 35. I put a title called Clean Up. Today we're going to clean up the Superman logo in the inner profile. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file, and then what we're going to do is that we're going to continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have do the finishing cut on the top portion. We will do the circumference and the profile on the Superman logo. We're going to use spiral. We select all the 6 profiles. Click OK. With that, we manage. We're going to create a new tool, diameter 2, flat end mill, final. Put the dimension 0 on the radius and 2 at the cutter diameter. To number 6. Click OK. Select the parameter, G54 for the frame. Put the RPM 1005 and 280 mmPM. The boundary is going to be on the top, 0 and then minus 15. We're going to put the path tolerance into 0.001 and the step over for the cutter is 50%. And we need to just cut the base only. Use 2 and 2 for the engage as well as the retract. Change the color. Calculate. We go into verify. You can see that we drag and then we see the Z minus 15. Click OK. Click OK again. Perform a solid verify. Looks good. And we do analysis. So everything turned into green color. Everything looks good except a corner whereby we have the radius R1. Do not worry about that because our cutter will not be very sharp. You will not have R0. So that's why that you can see a little bit color on the corner side. Close. Save the file. And we have one more chamfer to cut at the next lesson. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click on the previous operation, collapse it, 2-axis mill, spiral, select 1 to 6, OK. Manage, diameter 2, flat, and mill, final, 0, 2, to number 6, OK. No. Set the frame, G54, 1005, 2x0, boundary, top is 0 on the surface, bottom is whereby you can see this one, top and bottom minus 15, 0.001, 50%, base only, nothing change this one go to 2, 2 as well, this one as well, display, change the color, calculate, yes, we verify, G54, drag the 2, Z minus 15, correct, looks good, OK. OK, let us perform a solid verify, tilt the part, I slow down a little bit, play, Looks good. Analysis, visual, zoom in, tilt the part. All green, except the corner here, which is what I mentioned at the lesson. The other one, as well as this one. Okay, looks good. And this one as well. Yep, no problem with that. And this one. So everything is sharp and good. Okay, looks good. Close. Close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We still have one more chamfer to cut at the next lesson. I see you again. Bye bye.